Guly calling you out and saying you are old style, outer style.
The thing is that when Jamaica people and when them little people here, I go have some respect for them and reach in life. Because me say them give Bounty Killer the general, them give Beanie Man the king of dancehall. Warm to Ninjaman, we have been decades in the music. We become the longest reigning DJ in the history of dancehall, the dancehall godfather, the only DJ who have been here and straight to him time, all when they are prison him and mash up the country. Want to feel him respect. At time for them little leeches and then little take up something here where fly up, we come from nowhere. Realize I'm not in the corner that they are from. You understand me?
Who specifically?
No, all of them little people we are call up my name. Me and them are no size, me and them are in a category, me and them are in a league.
Even
Guly? Guly, no, none of them.
Friend?
I didn't rise from a telephone bus. I rise from a dance